Well, y'all may have to turn this video sideways, man, because my phone, you feel me, about dead. I had to charge it up. So if this video look a little weird, my bad. But I'm gonna talk to y'all while I eat my dinner though. You feel me? I got the green beans, the hamburger, gravy and rice, onions, all that good stuff. But hope y'all having a good night. You know, hope y'all having a good night. Show y'all what I got going on the plate. I got my burger sitting on top of my rice. Let's see, I'm gonna cut into it. See what we got going. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be dropping more videos, man. If y'all ain't subbed to the channel yet, y'all go ahead and sub to the channel. Show your boy some love. I'm gonna be dropping more content tonight. Well, early, about 12 or 1, I'm gonna be dropping more content. And what else? And I'm gonna stay consistent. You feel me? I'm gonna stay consistent, y'all. That's good. Oh, good. Shout out to Mom Dukes. She did a thing on this. Yeah, shout out to Mom Dukes. Well, yeah, I appreciate the love, y'all. The channel doing good. I'm almost at 400K. A couple of more views to put me there. You know, I need y'all help, man, to get me monetized, man. I don't know if I get monetized, I'll be in there, y'all. That's why I'm dropping, being consistent. I appreciate y'all. Y'all been holding me down. I wanna you know, say RIP to the ones we lost this year, to the ones we lost yesterday, the day, the week before, you know, this whole new year. And the one thing that, you feel me, we should realize, y'all, that everybody gotta die. So, right? Why be sad when somebody leave and we all gotta go? I think we need to start celebrating, you know what I'm saying, when people depart from the world, because we all gotta go through it. I don't think dying is a bad thing, because we all gotta go through it. And it's a bigger place after this world, so that's the main thing. Again, when you leave this world, you don't die. So I don't think we need to be sad and be stressing out when people leave, because we all gotta leave in some type of way. So I want to run that by y'all, because I just lost somebody today. I think it was today or yesterday. I knew the dude. You know, we weren't like best friends and nothing like that, but I knew him. So that's what made me bring up what I'm saying now. We all gotta go. Enjoy your life while you can. You know. Live it to the fullest. You know. It don't matter how you live it. As long as you living your life the way you want to live it. But live it to the fullest though. Yeah. But I'm glad I got up here to chop it up with y'all. Y'all see I'm smashing my shit. I am not playing, y'all. That hamburger, that gravy, and that rice. And that string bang. Mm-hmm. So the onion. I see y'all be loving my food videos. I'm gonna drop more food videos too. Y'all love it when I be in that kitchen. So I'm gonna keep giving it y'all. I just did a Dorito. I just did a big juicy Dorito cheese seafood bag with fish, shrimp, and crab on the inside of it. Let me tell y'all something. Off the chain. Y'all gotta try it. When I tell you that's like the best I ever tasted. Some Doritos with some seafood inside of it with cheese. With that Old Bay. Mm-mm-mm-mm. But I'm gonna give y'all more music. More hunt videos, more cartoon videos, and me just being me. I'm gonna try to see when I be going places too. Like actually in a car. Type shit. I was supposed to be going on vacation this weekend. This right here was amazing. I done smashed it. Amazing, y'all. I'm out. Welcome to the Gold 919 show. We did it.